How to connect Lovable to GitHub. In order to connect Lovable to GitHub, make sure to launch the Lovable application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on the three lines icon located from the top left of the screen, and from the bottom you can simply tap on your profile picture. And when you've done that, one of the options you'll find here is called Connectors. Make sure to tap on the Connectors tab. Now under the Connectors tab, you can find a search box. Within the search box, simply search for GitHub. And when you do that, of course, you will find some GitHub API. Select that. And in order to connect it, all you have to do is tap on this blue button that says Add Connection. Once you've confirmed the changes, your GitHub will be successfully connected to Lovable or vice versa. This way you can connect Lovable to GitHub. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in our next video.